Hey guys, what is up? Tabs here from the Urban Goddess Shop. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna go over keywords and Poshmark's new feature, today's trends. I feel like these two things go hand in hand. They're actually like a partnership. This tool will help you grow your business and make more sales, which is what we're all trying to do right now. We are in the middle of summer. Sales are a little slow. I didn't want to say that. I'm not trying to put that energy out there. I think what we have to do is find ways to try and get our items into the right eyes. And what Poshmark is doing right now with this new feature is they have someone designated that's doing trending, looking at the keywords, what are the common threads that buyers are looking for right now. I know personally I have not been utilizing this to its full capacity, and today we're going to go over how to look it up, where to apply it in your listings. Let's look up what are the trends? What are the trends right now? And what you want to do if you're on your phone is go down to the little magnifying glass or the search. It's going to show up a screen. Scroll down till you find today's trends. I find for me it's like a little bit of scrolling. You're going to see some square box pictures. They'll also have trending keyword phrases. I love this because I actually had dresses that met lots of these keywords, but I hadn't used these ones. I didn't know them. These were not in my wheelhouse. So I definitely learned something new today. I've already seen a couple extra likes on these items than I was seeing in previous days. So I think that this is going to work. And the more that we do this, doing this, every day, taking a peek every other day, even if you only do it once a week, I think it will improve the exposure of your items. Therefore, making more sales, also putting the keywords to the items that match. I'm going to state this, do not attach keywords that do not apply because that just frustrates buyers. Please use them appropriately. We all have common sense. Now is the time to use it. Looking at these trends, the ones that I used today were draped mini dresses, Liberty florals, and baby doll mini dresses. I had a bunch of items that fell into this. I clicked on it. You can also click details and that'll tell you if there's any other keywords that they're attaching. For these ones, I just stuck with draped, Liberty floral, and baby doll mini dresses. So this is really easy. First thing I did was filter my closet by dresses, just scroll down. First one that I did was Liberty floral, and I just looked for any items that had kind of that tight floral pattern and added Liberty before the word floral because I am always using floral when the item is floral. That's something I would put into my titles. So it was really easy just to type in Liberty and then save. I went through anything that met the criteria of what Liberty floral was, I threw it in. Next one I went through was baby doll dresses. Why don't I ever use this keyword? I don't know. It is definitely to me like an older term, and I guess I don't know, just not something I use often. I did go in and anything that met the criteria of a baby doll dress, I added baby doll mini dress. Let me tell you, there was a handful, maybe even up to 10 items that this applied to. I also want to add this, if you don't know what this means or what these terms or keywords mean, you can always do a quick Google search or just look up the other items that are falling under this trend. A lot of times you can get a really good feel for what type of items you should be looking in your closet. Remember, these are keywords that Posh is telling us people are searching right now. They're trying to help us make more sales and get better at the keywords that people are actually using when they're searching up in the Poshmark app. These were the 3 styles that I tackled today. I know I've looked at them before and they always have like different prints. Today there's pink gold chain. If you have anything with a pink gold chain, make sure that's in your title. Blue ruffled blouses. I actually had a ruffled sleeve and I was like, hey, why don't I have ruffled in everything that has kind of like a ruffle sleeve or a ruffle hem? Now I listed probably 10 or 15 items today. I feel like I've been photographing and listing, it just doesn't stop. I'm starting to add these keywords naturally into the listings I'm doing. I talked about in my last video how I use Google Lens, and I do feel like this is a great place to start if you don't even know what keywords to attach to your listings. This trend, today's trend, this is like the secret sauce to increasing the visibility of your listings. I want to know, have you guys been using this already? I know I've heard it in the comments. Please let me know. If you are not, are you going to start using it? Is there anything that you know and ways to apply this that I have not discussed today? Because I would love to know. Let's all grow and share together. Okay, I am out of here. I hope this tip helps you. I hope it puts a little fire under your butt to go change some listings, and let's see if we can increase our sales together. All right, guys, I hope you have a wonderful week. I am wishing you many sales, and I'll see you next time. Bye.